this video, I'll be showing you how to use OpenAI Chatgpt in unison with repurpose.io to get all of your video scripts and content done in a very orderly and timely fashion. Let's get into it. So if you didn't know what Chatgpt is, it's from OpenAI, and it's basically an AI conversational way to prompt this AI tool to give you answers or questions, and it will answer it for you like you're talking to a friend. And so that's the best way that I have to describe it. It's revolutionary. They're always adding to it, and I feel like there's a lot of insane ways that you can use ChatGPT. So if you don't have an account, you simply just create an account and then you can log in. Now, when you log into the account, you can do so many different things, but today we're going to be talking about just creating a simple video script. So for this example, I just put here in the text box, I put, write me a 30-second witty TikTok video script about why you need an accountant if you are a business owner. And again, this can be for any niche. So write me a 30-second TikTok video about why your cat needs cat food, or why, whatever your niche is, why you need to eat greens, why you need to start lifting, whatever your content is about, you can create video scripts, and ChatGPT will literally not only write the video script, but set the scene as well. So as you can see here, it says scene, a business owner sitting at their desk surrounded by piles of paperwork. Business owner, I can handle my own finances. I don't need an accountant. The camera zooms in to show a calculator and a stack of bills. Like literally it's telling you to do all this stuff. Voiceover. Oh, but can you handle the IRS knocking at your door, or the headache of fixing out tax laws and deductions? Scene changes to show the business owner looking stressed out and overwhelmed. So they're literally telling you what to look like. Business owner. Okay, maybe I need an accountant. And the camera zooms in to show a business card. And then the voiceover, don't let your finances drive you crazy. Hire an accountant and focus on what you do best, running your business. And then at the end, you smile and do a thumbs up. So you don't have to do out the acting scene of all this stuff, but it's really interesting, right? Because it literally wrote out a step-by-step script, and you can do this for anything that you want. So write me a 20-second TikTok video script about why you need to lose weight. So when I click on this, it will start typing, and right now it's analyzing. And while we're waiting for it to generate, you can start to think in your mind like, wow, how can I use ChatGPT to make scripts and video scripts for my business so that my life is easier? It says, hey you, yes you, are you tired of feeling sluggish and unhappy with your body? It's time to make a change. Lose weight. Losing weight isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. So put down that junk food and start taking care of yourself. You deserve to be happy and healthy. Isn't that crazy? So you can just do this, copy and paste all these scripts for the whole month, right? You can do like 30 different scripts. And then obviously what you're going to want to do is sign up for repurpose.io if you have not. So repurpose.io is super cool. You get to automatically post your TikTok videos to all your social media channels. So it's really cool. You can start a free day trial, and the link's down below if you have not already. But the reason you do this is you get your time back. You can grow your audience, and you don't have to outsource all these different things, right? And so you want to basically just connect your TikTok account. You want to create simple workflows from TikTok to different social medias. So it's really simple. So when you sign up for your account, you're just going to go to workflows and create a workflow and start it from TikTok. And you can select which social medias you want it to go. So set up one workflow from TikTok to Facebook, TikTok to Google Drive or Dropbox, TikTok to Instagram, TikTok to LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, like whatever you want to do for your marketing strategy. But this is what I have personally. And so basically, once you set up these simple workflows, connecting your TikTok accounts and your different socials, and just saying, hey, I want this TikTok video to go to my Instagram account when I post. then all you have to do is literally log onto your TikTok and create your first video. And if you never created a video before, you just tap the button at the bottom. You use that script that you just got from Chatgpt and you record yourself, right? You don't have to show your face, but normally people do. And when you're done recording, you can just simply press post. And what will happen is all of these social platforms will be posted to as well within a 2-hour time frame. So this is incredible how you can pair these two combinations of software together, right? ChatGPT to get all of the different scripts for you, and then automating all of your content and on all the different social media platforms. So you literally just create one video and it goes to all these different platforms if you so choose. So hopefully that helps you guys out on how to use ChatGPT in unison with repurpose.io. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.